Today we are going to talk about classification of clinically important bacteria. On the basis of wall thickness, there are three major classification. First one is rigid or thick-walled bacterial cells. Second are flexible, thin-walled cells. Then are the wall-less bacteria. First, rigid thick-walled cells are further divided into extracellular bacteria which are free-living, and second one is obligate intracellular bacteria. Free-living or extracellular bacteria are further divided into gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, and acid-fast bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria are either cocci or rods. Cocci are Streptococcus and Staphylococcus. Streptococcus bacteria cause pneumonia, pharyngitis and cellulitis, and Staphylococcus causes abscess formation. Then are the rods which are spore forming or non-spore forming. Spore forming rods include aerobic, which is Bacillus and it causes anthrax, and anaerobic bacteria is Clostridium, which causes tetanus, gangrene and botulism. Then are the non-spore forming rods. These include non-filamentous bacteria and filamentous. Non-filamentous bacteria are Listeria and Corynebacterium. Listeria causes meningitis and Corynebacterium causes diphtheria. Filamentous bacteria include Actinomyces and Nocardia, which causes actinomycosis and nocardiosis respectively. Then comes the gram-negative bacteria. These include gram-negative cocci and rods. Cocci include Neisseria, which causes gonorrhea and meningitis. Rods are either facultative rods, aerobic or anaerobic. Facultative rods are further divided into straight or curved bacteria. Straight bacteria include respiratory bacteria like Haemophilus, Bordetella and Legionella. Haemophilus causes meningitis, Bordetella causes whooping cough and Legionella causes pneumonia. Then our zoonotic straight bacteria include Brucella, Francisella, Pasteurella and Yersinia. Brucella causes brucellosis, Francisella causes tularemia, Pasteurella causes cellulitis and Yersinia causes plague. Then are the enteric and related bacteria include Escherichia causes UTI and diarrhea, Enterobacter causes UTI, Serratia causes pneumonia, Klebsiella causes pneumonia and UTI, Salmonella causes typhoid fever, enterocolitis, Shigella causes enterocolitis, and at the end Proteus, which causes UTI. Then are the curved bacteria include Campylobacter, which causes enterocolitis, Helicobacter causes gastritis and peptic ulcer, and Vibrio bacteria causes cholera. Then are the aerobic bacteria include Pseudomonas causes pneumonia and UTI. Anaerobic bacteria are bacteroids which causes peritonitis. And third one is the acid-fast bacteria include Mycobacterium, which causes tuberculosis and leprosy. Obligate intracellular bacteria are Rickettsia and Chlamydia. Rickettsia causes Rocky Mountain, spotted fever, typhus and Q fever. Chlamydia causes urethritis, trachoma and psittacosis. Flexible thin-walled cells bacteria include spirochetes like Treponema, Borrelia, Leptospira. Treponema causes syphilis, Borrelia causes Lyme disease and Leptospira causes leptospirosis. Wall-less bacteria cells are Mycoplasma, and which causes pneumonia.